crazy stuff, yo.
I'm insane in the membrane. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain. Crazy insane, got no brain. In the membrane.
UPS man just left. I don't think I've ever ordered anything from Dollar Tree and not gotten a package with a big hole in the side. What are you doing, Smut? Alright, be that way then. Anyway, so the toys I couldn't find when I went on my little trip, I just went ahead and ordered them off the website. So we found the evil minions, and these should be the good guys, and these should be the weapons packs. So let's get them opened up real quick. Well, isn't that convenient? It appears that they have separated them out. So this is one of each of the good guys, and this is one of each of the weapons packs. So there's 4 different accessory packs. So that one box will give me one listing with a quantity of 8, and this box will give me one listing. I should have counted them right. Let's count them together. 4, 6, 8. There's one with a hole in it. 9 and 10. So a single listing for one of each of the good guys there. There's one of them. Looks like a rip-off Transformer to me, but whatever. Yeah. One listing quantity 10, one listing quantity 8. Easy to list, easy to store, easy to source. So hopefully easy to sell. We haven't got that far yet. Anyway, we'll catch you later. Maybe in the next clip, maybe in the next video. Depends on where this one ends up in the pile. You find it, Bobby? Is it over there? The SKU says it was in the blue milk crate. Did you try checking there first? It should be in this milk crate here. Too bad we used opaque bags. That's not it. It's very, very similar, so that's not it. Let's see here. Is this the other one? Put that one back. Nope, that's the Pepper bottle. This one's tall. Maybe this one's it. This looks like it. Turn the fan off for a minute. Actually, it's a heater. Alright, right there. See the Royal Crown Cola RC? See the pyramids? And see how good that label looks? Sold for $27.84. Tax and all. Shipping and all, of course. But yeah, pretty good for an empty soda bottle. Paid $2. Sold for $27.84. Ready to go, Bob? Me and Bob go pack it up. See you in a minute. Anybody out there that's buying their cleaning supplies at the Dollar Trees might want to start saving their spigots, their spray nozzles, because the Dollar Trees have quit putting spray nozzles on most of their bottles. One assumes this is a cost-saving measure. When you have your, when you set your price at $1, when the price of the product goes up, there's not much you can do other than make the product smaller or take something off of it. So in this case, what they decided to take off of it was the spray nozzle. Spray nozzles are kind of important for using with cleaners, so you might want to save some from the bottles you have now. Anyway, just thought that was a little tip. Be back with you in a minute. When I sold these, how many of these are they? A lot of 9. A lot of 9 Kettle Works workout DVDs where you use a kettlebell, which is a weird name for a weight, but I didn't name it. Anyway, these were the used ones. I had 3 new ones. I sold them separately. Well, I haven't sold them, but I put them up for sale separately. Anyway, these 9, they cost me 50 cents a piece. And I sold them for $29.95 with free shipping. And they will ship medium mail. So, let me go find some bubble wrap or some peanuts and get this wrapped up in the mail. See, I was nice to you. I'm not going to make you watch me search for all this crap. Alright, so that's Walmart retail arbitrage. I think I got 50 cents or $1 in those a piece. And they sold for $14.95 of free shipping. This is a Ford New Holland tractor hat. And it sold for $13.99. It is used, but it's very clean. Snapback. And I sold a 13mm snap-on socket, and it sold for $12.91. Basically $10 for the socket and $2.91 shipping. So let me get these inside and get them packed up. Had a piece of medical equipment. The hoses had deteriorated on the inside. It no longer worked properly. Didn't have the parts to fix it, but was able to take it apart, sell the parts. This is the first one that sold. It sold for $19.95 plus shipping, going to California. I believe shipping and all was $33 and something. So I should be able to, it's fairly small, it's quite heavy, but I should be able to ship it cubic by pirate ship and even make a few dollars on the shipping. So let's get this in the house and get it packed up. Where'd I put it? SKU said green crate B, but I remember putting this thing in a box. Let's turn that off. There it is, but a snake had bit me. Let's see here, Bio Red tray. This sold for $29.95 within 12 hours of me actually putting it up for sale. It's another one of those big machines that used to sit right there, and I decided instead of trying to sell it and ship it freight, I'd take it apart and sell the pieces. I didn't have but $40 in the whole machine, and this is the very first part that sold for $30, so maybe I'll get some of my money back if nothing else. Let's go get this thing in the mail, shall we? The Bio Red acrylic tray. Basically, it's just a little plastic tray. This box is 20 inches long, 14 by 2. And the tray takes up about yay much of it. If I ship it like this, it's going to cost $13.58. And if I make it 2 inches shorter, the cost goes down $2.04. Because by making it 2 inches shorter, it goes down to cubic shipping. So I want to do that. And I was asking $18.99 on this miscellaneous lot of master locks and keys. And me and a guy in Fort Jackson, Texas went back and forth, and he has paid $16.75 plus shipping this miscellaneous lot of master locks and keys. I have nothing into it. I forgot I even had it. Tell you the truth about it, I was going through some stuff on a shelf in my utility room, and I pulled out this box, and I was like, huh, I ain't seen these in 20 years. Wonder if they're worth anything. Put them up for sale. They've been listed about 2 days, so I guess somebody wanted them. Whoa. Hello. Man, he gets testy when he don't get to be in the videos. Where'd you go? Boy, this is just great. Where's that cat at? Bobby! Well, we're going to try to get our cat and get our stuff and pack it up. We will talk at you in a little bit. Well, there sets the toys. Couple minutes taking pictures. About 5-10 minutes listing. I got 2 listings up that should be good for multi-quantities and should make me money from for a little while. Not a lot of work, and like I said, pretty quick, pretty easy. Not a lot of money either, you know. Quick and easy. Quick and easy don't always mean, you know, tons of cash, but good to fill in around the edges. When you have 250, 300, 400 listings, 1,000 listings, you can afford to have a few that are slow sellers, you know, whether those be 50-cent yard sale purchases or Dollar Tree items or clearance items. You know, as long as you're making profit in the end, that's all that really matters. If you put it in one end, they'll come out the other one day or another. Anyway, let's go get this stuff packed up. I put my listings on 4% promoted, and it seems to have helped out. This is a Jaceco kitchen match holder, and it had a box fold matches in it. And I put them in there together, and it sold for $14.96 plus shipping on top. I also sold 2 of these. These are going free shipping, but I got $24.95 a piece for each one. Apparently it's the day to sell Bio-Rad stuff. This is the backlight. I gotta be careful here because it's in the box, but it's not actually packaged at all. So this sold for $47.80, and that's including the shipping. And I should, if I'm able to cut it down like I did the last box, and if memory serves me correctly, I should be able to with no problems. I should be able to ship it for around $11.58. So selling those 2 parts off that machine, I'm already into profit, and there were several other parts. So hopefully somebody else still needs some parts for that machine. Oh, the combined shipping on this, when you cut it down, you're getting it to the dimensions of basically half a cubic foot, right? So if you tape 2 of them together, the dimensions would equal 1 cubic foot, and you could ship that for, I don't know, $15, $16, whereas I'm going to spend 22 something probably to ship them separately. And the reason that is I've done it before, combined the shipping, and when they get it there, they claim that I only sent 1 item. And since it only has 1 tracking number, there's no way for me to prove that I sent 2. So that's the reason I won't be combining shipping on this. But it's getting pretty late. I think it's about 11 o'clock at night, 11:30. So we're going to get these on in the house, probably do the shipping in the morning. And we will talk to you later. Yeah, maybe a bit quicker than you expected, huh? Oh, where's it at? Right here. This is a carpenter square, and it was actually in my tools. I use a speed square. I haven't used this in years, if I ever used it. Might have come from the store I had back years ago. Either way, I cleaned it up and put it up for sale for $9.95 plus regular shipping. Weighs about 8 ounces, and it sold in a couple of days. So good deal. Apparently word's out in the cat community that I am a soft touch. Let me introduce you to Turtle. Turtle's not very happy right now. His leg was injured, and he come up on my back porch bleeding and all hurt. So I took him to the vet. I spent $157 I really didn't have to spend, because I'm a soft touch for cats, I guess. So anyway, me and Turtle, we're gonna go home. Yeah, we're gonna go home and get him settled in, and we will see you in a minute. How you doing, Turtle? How's that leg looking? You had to have stitches. You doing all right, bud? That's good to hear. He seems to have settled in rather nicely. What you think, Smut? A few too many cats in the house? Well, Turtle likes to stay outside, but he's injured, so we're going to give him some time to recuperate. Anyway, Man Mountain Link and way too many cats. We will see you in the next video. Peace out.
Man Mountain Link has once again totally outdone himself.
There you go. You're the retarded offspring of 5 monkeys having butt sex with a fish squirrel. Congratulations.
I can't take it anymore.
Yep, you see? I knew that would happen.